Stuck wondering if digital jobs are just for coders? Here's the real talk from LSDB.
Is a digital career good for non-tech students?
Absolutely. Content creation and social media need creativity, not code.
How to get an internship if you have no experience?
Build a quick portfolio on free tools and pitch your hustle on LinkedIn.
What's the real salary for beginners in digital jobs?
Entry-level gigs hit $30,000 to $50,000 fast, scaling with your vibe.
Can I switch to digital without a fancy degree?
Absolutely. Reskill with bite-sized courses and leap into gigs that value your life wisdom over youth.
Best first step for zero-experienced newbies?
Pick one gig like virtual assisting, practice daily, and land paid work in weeks.
What free tools kickstart digital freelancing?
Canva, CapCut, and Google Workspace turn beginners into pros overnight.
How does LSDB match me with real opportunities?
We scan your skills, connect you to global gigs, and coach your wins. Heart pounding for your breakthrough? Claw-like to scar the doubts. Hurl this to a dreaming friend. Roar your burning questions below. And don't let stuck forever steal your spark. Grab your LSDB path now.